In the early years of the automobile, we can imagine horses pulling the steam automobile of Richard Trevithick in 1801, that hardly could go up a slope, or the gas engine car patented by Carl Benz in 1886. The first motor vehicles kept the structure of horse carriages in which the horse was substituted by an engine. The horsepower was a suitable, meaningful unit. But who defined the horsepower as the unit of power? The answer is that definition was stated by an engineer. The Scottish engineer James Watt started his professional career as instrument maker. After he worked as civil engineer and, finally, he founded the Boulton Watt Company, producing steam engines. He improved the efficiency of the machines and was the owner of several patents. Watt defined the engine and its qualities in a commercial and clever form. Since the steam engine had to compete at that time with the horse-like source of energy in the mining industry, he decided to use the horse as unit of measure. Was there a better form to present the steam engine qualities than indicating the number of horses that it could substitute? The only question missing was to find the numerical equivalents to achieve it. Watt supposed that a standard horse could pull 180 pounds, and determined that a horse could turn a mill wheel 144 times in an hour, or 2.4 times a minute. The wheel was 12 feet in radius. Therefore, the horse traveled 2.4 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 12 feet in 1 minute. Power is calculated as the product of force by distance divided by time. The result was rounded to 33,000 pound-feet per minute. The formal definition of the horsepower was published in 1809 by James Watt. The idea not only was brilliant, but the resultant unit, the horsepower, was deeply meaningful for his fellow citizens. Watt not only improved the steam engine as a technical alternative for the mining industry, but comes to easy the understanding for the general people. The systems of measurement that were born close to people's experience are deeply meaningful, because by means of the measure, they establish a dialogue between the man and the nature. The significance of the traditional measures, such as the horsepower, constitutes one of his more outstanding virtues.